Welcome back. In today's project, we're showcasing a complete transformation. This space was originally just a bedroom, and we converted it into a fully functional master bathroom. Since there was no existing bathroom here, the biggest challenge was working within the original bedroom layout. We had to carefully plan every detail to make sure the space felt open, practical, and comfortable. Our goal was to create a true master bathroom experience, and I think we achieved that. We designed a layout that includes a spacious walk-in shower, a beautiful freestanding bathtub as a focal point, and a double vanity to provide plenty of space for everyday use. Every element was placed intentionally to maximize both function and flow. Lighting was another key part of this project. We added extra recessed lights throughout the ceiling to brighten up the space and give it a clean, modern feel. Even though we were limited by the original structure, we did our best to optimize every inch. And the result is a layout that feels natural, efficient, and luxurious. This was a really rewarding project for us, turning an ordinary bedroom into a custom master bathroom that not only looks great, but works perfectly for daily living. Let us know what you think of the transformation, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more projects like this.